Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development Mamaloko Kubai has welcomed the latest breakthrough in the long-running extradition battle of two brothers accused of being the gunmen in the murder of South African rapper Keenan aka Forbes and his close friend Tebelo Tips Motswane. Siyabonga Gezana Nzimande and Melusi David Nzimande, who have been fighting extradition from Eswatini since February 2024, have officially abandoned their appeal, paving the way for the return to South Africa to face trial. The pair are among 7 men accused of the double murder that shocked the nation in February 2023 when Forbes and Motswane were gunned down outside a popular restaurant on Florida Road in Durban. KwaZulu-Natal Prosecuting Authority NPA spokesperson Natasha Ramkisson Kara confirmed on Thursday that Eswatini authorities have submitted a formal notice of abandonment signaling the withdrawal of the brothers' appeal, and said the Eswatini authorities will handle the matter further and communicate with the South African authorities in due course. Kubai said she received an update from the National Directorate of Public Prosecutions and DPP confirming the development and expressed optimism that the extradition process was now nearing completion. He said the withdrawal brings the process of extradition the brothers to South Africa closer to being finalized. At this stage, the Kingdom of Eswatini authorities will handle the remaining procedural matters and will communicate further developments to the South African authorities in due course. The minister commended both South African and Eswatini officials for their cooperation and persistence in pursuing justice, and said, I appreciate the commitment of our law enforcement and justice officials who have worked tirelessly with their counterparts in Eswatini to advance the case to this point. We look forward to the successful extradition of the two suspects so they can face justice and the families of the victims can find closure. The 5 other accused, Lindokuhle Thabani Mkhwanazi, Lindani Zenzele Ndimande, Siyanda Edi Mieza, Mziwethemba Heavy Kwabeni, and Lindokuhle Lindo Ndimande are expected to stand trial in July 2026. Authorities have emphasized that the extradition proceedings in Eswatini will not delay the South African trial. The brutal killings of Forbes and Motswane outside Wish restaurants sent shockwaves across the country, sparking widespread calls for justice and accountability. With the Ndimande brothers' appeal now abandoned, the legal process appears one step closer to delivering long-awaited answers in one of South Africa's most high-profile murder cases. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.